Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is social media ads classification. We have created this application using Streamlit, which is used to classify whether the person will buy a product on the ads or not. So here are two parameters, age and estimated salary, which takes the input and is used to classify whether the person will buy a product from ad or not. So for example, we will enter age of a person. For instance, we will enter 25, then the estimated salary 2 lakh. Then we will click on predict ads button and we can see that the person will buy the product. It is the output of the model. So you can also check the source file by clicking on this file option. Here you can see the app.py file, social media ads pickle file, which is used to create this model, and requirement.txt file. You can also check the source code by clicking on this app.py file, and you can get all the source code for creating this UI in Streamlit. So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned companies. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.